好，hello，咁呢條呢係，哎呀，呢個先啱。咁樣呢係2025年嘅第9條啦，咁樣咁就講緊一個嘅 hydrogen oxygen fuel cell 嘅咁樣，咁佢就俾咗個 set up 你啦。咁我都睇翻書啦，咁不如我哋一齊睇翻書個 set up，跟住之後對比一下佢俾你個 set up 咁樣，咁就應該。睇下啲嘢有冇問題啦。咁呢個呢就係書嗰段嘢啦。咁我都 copy 過去。咁因為呢，因為都即係我都懶得寫字啊。咁就我哋一齊睇下呢，有啲咩係啱用嘅咁樣，我哋就一齊 highlight 佢，咁就係個即係攞分位啦咁樣。咁你見到呢嗰幅圖呢，其實都 more or less 都係一樣啦，即係都係左手邊係 hydrogen，跟住右手邊係 oxygen，咁跟住會用到porous 嘅 platinum electrode 嚟做。即係兩邊嘅 electrode 啦，跟住亦都用咗 concentrated 嘅 QH 咁樣啦。咁所以呢幅圖呢，我就爭咗少少啫。咁佢書嗰度呢，就 indicate 到呢個係負，呢個係正嘅，咁所以可能容易啲去俾你睇到係啦，direction of electron flow 咁樣。咁呢個就交叉咗佢啦，因為想呢啲字大隻啲。OK，咁跟住之後呢，佢呢就話with reference to the information provided in the above diagram，咁就叫你 describe the working principle of this fuel cell 咁樣嘅。咁首先呢，其實我哋就要呢一個係 fuel cell 啦，咁樣咁佢要 describe 一啲嘅 working principle 啦，咁樣咁我哋會見到呢，我哋要講得出喺個左手邊係 X 啦，咁左手係 X 呢，就係 anode 嚟嘅咁樣，咁呢個呢係喺個即係 electro X 啦，係啦，咁你要講翻 electro X 係個 anode 啦，咁樣，OK，electro X 係個 anode，咁佢呢就會將個 hydrogen 就會 undergo oxidation 嘅。OK，oxygen 就 undergo，sorry 講錯咗，hydrogen undergo oxidation。咁有時你寫呢條 equation 啦，咁樣，咁呢個呢就係 electro X 嘅，OK，咁就會係1分咁樣啦，應該。咁另外呢，喺另外一邊啊，咁呢個呢，即係喺個 cathode 嗰度呢，就係 electro Y 啦，咁樣。你都可以寫埋，呢個係 negative，呢個係 positive 嘅。咁喺個 electro Y 嗰度呢，我哋今次用呢度識啦。sorry。electro Y 嗰度呢，就係個 cathode 啦，which is the positive electrode 啦，就係個 oxygen undergo reduction 嘅。咁又就係呢條 equation啦。咁呢一個呢，就另外個1分啦，咁樣。咁跟住呢，亦都有啲即係2分梗係唔止啦，咁樣。咁我哋仲要講埋呢，你會見到呢，佢用到呢個嘅中間呢個 concentrated potassium hydroxide 係咩嚟嘅呢？咁佢呢，就係個 electrolyte 啦，咁樣。咁 electrolyte 就有咩用呢？就用嚟conduct electricity 咁樣嘅，咁你都要講翻啦，用嚟 conduct electricity 啦。OK，好啦，咁呢度就應該3分啦。咁跟住呢，我哋要再講多啲成個 set up 啦，因為 with reference to the information provided in the above diagram 啊嘛，咁樣咁有啲乜嘢可以講呢？咁樣咁你可以講下，你會見到呢，其實佢用到呢個嘅 porous 嘅 platinum 啦，咁樣咁你可以講下即係點解用 porous 啦，咁樣 porous 呢就係 increase 個 surface area 啦，咁就 increase 個即係 efficiency。咁 increase 啲咩 efficiency 呢？咁樣咁 platinum 呢，其實同時間呢，佢都係一個 catalyst 嚟嘅。OK，係啦，你可以講翻 platinum 係一個 catalyst 啦，咁樣，或者佢係一個 inner electrode 啦。咁佢porous 咧就可以 increase 個 surface area，令到佢個 catalytic property 會 enhance，咪叫 enhance 咗咧。總之 increase 個 efficiency 咁樣啦。OK，咁另外咧，佢係一個 fuel cell 啦。咁 fuel cell 係啲咩嚟嘅咧？fuel cell 咧就係用嚟 convert，即係有啲咩用咧？就係俾電啊嘛。即係佢係將佢由 chemical energy 轉做 electrical energy 嘅嘢啦。咁我哋咧學呢個嘅chemical cell 咧，其實有2種嘅 primary cell 同埋 secondary cell 啦。咁呢一個咧其實係一個 primary cell 嚟嘅，即係佢唔可以叉電嘅。但係咧佢有一個 secondary cell 嘅好處嘅。有咩好處咧？其實就係只要你 keep 住有 continuous supply of oxygen and hydrogen 咧，其實佢就可以 work continuously 嘅。OK，係啦，因為只要 as long as there is continuous supply of oxygen and hydrogen 啦，咁所以呢個 fuel cell 呢 can work continuously。 with continuous supply of hydrogen and oxygen 咁樣嘅。OK，咁呢個就係咯，即係 working principle 同埋 with the above information 應該都講晒啊，仲有一個未講 unreacted 啦咁樣，咁你都可以講翻話其實 unreacted 你會 collect 翻佢嘅，咁你都可以循環作用啦，咁就可以 save chemicals 嘅，咁就應該成個 set up 都講晒啦。OK，係啦，咁。係就係咁，大家都可以再望下，因為我冇好認真咁樣寫個答案出嚟啦，咁所以大家就可以望下啲 point 啦，我哋可以再重溫多一次嘅咁樣。咁呢度啦，第一個 point 啦，喺個 anode 嗰度發生啦，即係 anode，即係 electro X is the anode 嘅，即係 electro X is the negative electro 啦，咁樣咁佢咧就有呢條 equation，咁就係個 hydrogen。會 losing electron 咁樣嘅，咁所以你見到個 direction of electron flow hydrogen 就 losing electron 咁樣啦。OK，要第一分啦。咁第二分呢，就喺個 cathode，就係個 electro Y is the cathode，即係 is the positive electron 啦。咁 oxygen 會 undergo reduction 嘅，咁就係 according to 呢條 equation 啦。咁你都可以寫埋個 overall equation 嘅，係啦。咁跟住即係我自己嘅話呢，其實我應該都會寫埋嘅。咁我可能都會再加多一兩句，就係即係 the product is water， 咁就會係 environmentally friendly 咯。不過呢個就真係唔關個 working principle 事，係啦。咁跟住之後呢，就第三點呢，就可以講埋呢個嘅concentrated potassium hydroxide 係呢個嘅electro 嚟啫，用嚟呢度先啦，係啦，用嚟 conduct electricity 嘅。OK， 咁第四點呢，就可以講呢個嘅 catalyst 啦，即係 porous platinum electrode 有咩用啦？就係 porous 可以 increase 個 surface area 啦，跟住嗰個嘅 platinum 就係個 catalyst 咁樣啦。OK， 好啦，跟住第五點呢，就可以寫埋個 continuous supply of hydrogen and oxygen， 就令到佢個 fuel cell 去 work continuously 嘅。咁呢度你都可以寫埋，即係佢係由 chemical energy 轉做 electrical energy 啦。呢個係即係個 fuel cell 點樣用啊嘛。咁仲有一分呢，就係個 working 就係個 communication mark 咁樣啦。係啦 ，OK。咁呢條我覺得都幾難寫嘅，因為呢其實以往 MC 問 hydrogen oxygen fuel cell 呢，其實你溫書真係溫嚟溫去都係2頁咋嘛。講真，即係可能加多1頁咁樣啦。咁但係啲 MC 都係做得唔好嘅，咁所以更何況呢度出咗成條 essay 咁樣嘅題目呢，就更加真係難寫咁樣啦。咁但係即係盡量寫咯，係咯，盡量就同大家講晒啦咁樣。咁大家都可以參考翻多啲關於呢一條嘅 MC 去令到自己對 fuel cell 再熟啲嘅。好，咁就講完啦。